Hello guys, I'm the technical engineer from ZW3D. Now I will introduce data exchange of ZW3D to you. So first, thanks for your participation. In terms of the data exchange, normally we talk it with two topics, import and export. For each topic, we will talk it through three subtopics, which are supported formats, supported methods, and related settings. So, as you can see, totally we have 6 subtopics included in the contents. Okay, now let's talk about import first. Firstly, supported import format. Look at the right table. As you can see, all the mainstream 3D software's formats are supported, such as CAD, NX, Creo, and SolidWorks. Of course, standard formats like STEP, IGS, and Parasolid are all supported. Besides, 2D formats like DWG, lightweight format like 3D XML, and image format like JPG are all supported to import. Since the supported formats type are increased or changed with the versions, so if you need to know the details and the latest supported formats, please click Help menu on top right of the ZW3D interface, then open the What's New document, where you could get what you want to know. Apart from above, there are 2 points need to stress here. First, additional authorization is needed when importing CATIA or SolidWorks 2D drawings. Second, CATIA V5 or V6 formats are supported to import. V6 will become V5 when saved to local. Alright, now let's talk about supported import methods. In ZW3D, totally there are 4 methods. First, normal open. Just like open normal ZW3D file, you could import other formats with the open command or directly drag file into ZW3D. Attention please, ZW3D will import with default settings if using this way. Second, normal import. This is the most popular way, which you can set parameters before import. Third, quick import. When the data is very big and you want to take a quick check, then quick import function may be the best choice. With this way, you cannot make setting, but you can load the whole data after import. Fourth, multi-import. If you have many format types and many files need to be imported, then multi-import function should be the best choice, which you could import the batch files within one-time setting, as shown in the left picture below. With the normal open or normal import function after the model is imported, the history tree is displayed normally without any special icons. However, if you import with the quick import function, after the model is imported, a feather icon will be displayed at the node of history tree. At this moment, you could load the completed model by right-click, which is very convenient. Right-click here, load current model. Okay, the third subtopic, settings. Usually, we use the default settings. However, when you need to set, ZW3D also allow you to do the set with the normal import function. Attention please, for the different formats, the parameters we can set are also different, as shown in the right 2 pictures below. There are NX and step setting interface. As you can see, they are different. To the NX data by checking the associated import option here. Associative import option. You can import the model associatively after imported, a node will be created. Then the imported model can be updated if its original model is modified. The whole logic as shown in the right picture below. This is the whole logic. Model changed and update. Alright, now let's shift to another topic, export. Similar with the import, first let's talk about supported format. As you can see, all the mainstream standard formats are supported, such as STEP, IGS, and Parasolid. What's more, CATIA's part and assembly are also supported to export. Of course, 2D formats like DWG, lightweight format like 3D XML, and image format like JPG are all supported. Besides, both 2D and 3D PDF are supported to export, which give you more choices. Next, supported methods. In ZW3D, there are three methods. First, normal export. This is the most common way which you could set parameters before export. Second, multi-export. As shown in the picture below, if you want to export the file into many formats or export many files at this moment, multi-export function should be the best choice, which you could export batch files within one time setting. Third, save as. Just like save as a ZW3D file, you could export into other formats by save as function with default setting. Okay, last, export setting. Like import, usually we use the default setting. However, when you hope to set, then you could set the parameters with the export function or multi-export function. Similar with the import, for the different formats, the parameters that are supported to set are also different. Now let's take a check on software. As we said just now, ZW3D support 4 types import methods. As you can see, all of them are listed on the starting interface. This is a normal open. This is import. This is a quick import. This is multi-import. Okay, let's try the import function first. Here we select an NX format file. This one. As you can see, we can set import parameters such as saved folders, import from, and import to, and imported geometric items and so on. What kind of the geometry items you can read. Click OK. Then the model will be imported. All right, let's try the quick import function. We still select this NX file. Click OK. As you can see, you cannot set parameters with this way. After imported, a feather icon will come out here. As you can see, a feather icon will come out. This is a special mark of quick import. Besides, you could also select quick import under import model. That means under the normal import function here. Apart from the normal import methods, associative import is also supported to NX file. As you can see, under the normal import mode, the associative import option is here. You can select it here. Click OK. As you can see, associative import node will created here, which means you could update the mode once it was modified in NX. Right-click and update when you modified the mode in NX, and you can also update here. This is the associative import. Alright, this is the import function. You could also try normal open. As you can see, this is the supported formats in ZW3D. Or the multi-import by yourself. To the export, similar with import, you can go to File tab. And select Export function. Then select the format which you need to export. Okay, that's all the stuff of the data exchange. Thanks for your watching. If you have any questions, please send them to zw3d@zwsoft.com. Okay, bye. See you in the next training modular.